So I'm really excited to welcome you today to this house in Germantown, New York, which is a very small town in New York's Hudson Valley. And it's been my home for nearly 20 years at this point. Not this house. This house was actually a project that my family worked on. It was our second whole house historic rehabilitation project here in this area, but it is still one of my favorites and truly special. We call it affectionately the Yellow House. It was intended to be a place that we could share with others. So we did this rehab project with the idea that it would become a short-term stay property. So this is before Airbnb, before Vrbo, based on travels that I had done in Europe, in the UK, where you could rent a historic house and have this kind of immersive experience in a community. And that's what we wanted to create here. We wanted to take this old house that had been neglected, almost abandoned, and we wanted to bring it back into the life of the community and make it into a place where people could come and stay for a weekend, a week, a month, however long, and really experience what it's like to live in the Hudson Valley. Let me tell you a little bit about what this house was like when we first found it. It was almost unrecognizable to what you see today. We kind of had to have a little bit of a vision to see what this house could be. The house had been broken up in kind of these awkward ways. There were 3 very small apartments, and then before that, it was actually doctor's offices, dentist's offices. This house had had many lives. There was a lot of local community memory of this house. People remembered sitting in the dentist chair in a certain window, looking out at a certain barn across the street. Some people still refer to this house as the clinic, which I find so endearing. And there are actually photographs of this house from the 1950s when it was being repainted. And you can see the sign out front which says Rip Van Winkle Clinic. And these were clinics that were set up in the middle of the 20th century to serve the rural community with doctors, dentists, other types of health care. So, this house has had a really special place in the life of this community. The house had never been identified as significant, as being worthy of listing on the National Register of Historic Places. It had never been surveyed. So we were really just going by what we could see. And what we saw was a farmhouse that was built on the edge of town, probably in the 1870s, maybe 1880s, and then had 2 different wings built on it. And you can kind of read that in the windows, the siding on the house, the floor plan. We didn't know any of that until we started to peel back some of those layers.